Hello guys, today I am going to show you how can we run LLama 3.1 latest version on a Windows device offline. First of all, you have to download this Ollama tool. Here is the website. It's ollama.com. You can download it from here. And I have already downloaded it. As you can see, it's here. So I will start it. Let's get it. Click on install. It's installing user local program. Ollama. Let's wait. Meanwhile, we have to download the model. You can download it from huggingface.com. You can go to models and search for the latest model you want to try. Like it's Nita Llama 3.1. Here, go to files and versions, and we can download any of these zipper tensors model 1, 2, 3, 4. Its size are different. I have downloaded this one. Second, I downloaded. Now let's see our Llama version is downloaded. Okay. Oh, run the point. This is the command I'm going to execute. Okay. So this will download automatically. We don't have download this manually. Ollama will be downloaded automatically. Here you can see it. Okay. We'll wait for 4 minutes. I will skip this part. So it's gonna download complete in few seconds. Let's see. Okay, now download had finished. It's downloading some more. You can see it's success download. And now start it. Let's try something. Let's see when it was last trained. It's what trained until 2021. Well, we can use it for offline, like web pages. Okay. web pages, book and academic papers, user-generated content, forms, social media, product reviews, article and news stories, maintaining it based on snapshot of the internet and of the student. 2021. Using the icon, I will not have information on the website of course after the date. Okay, let's stop it here and let's try something. Hmm, okay, let's ask you something about stock market. Let's see if it can tell me something about it. Okay, let's keep this. I have to ask you to generate a prompt. Let's see. Mission, prompt, if okay, let's see if it works. As in a world where the curious refinement of the passion of photography has set up a mini studio in his forest home. It's a little bit slow, but it is on offline. Use this prompt on an imagination website. I'm using it on Leonardo AI. Here is what we have generated already. This, this, and this. It's quite cool. Let's try something else. Okay, generate it from you, baby girls. Baby girl, one, two, three, reading, very out. Let's wait. What's it? I changed it. Little concept. A delicate one-year-old baby girl with her hair styled in soft curls and handkerchief glitter around her head is dressed in the fairy costume. She sits perched on a toadstool surrounded by flowers and green, looking at the viewer with an expression that says she is ready for adventure. Let's copy this and here generate. Let's see what generate now. Prompt. Oh, sorry, that was not the prompt. The actual prompt is here. Well, that relation does the job. You can see it's quite interesting. And it had more details from okay. You can explore it from there for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.